Now turn the switch on. Cool!
My name is Nadoka and I'm the mommy scientist. And let me show you my lab. Mommy scientist!
Konnichiwa everyone! This is Nadoka from Artech, the mommy scientist, and today we will be making my own hand fan from the Easy Papercrafts series. Ever wonder how to keep cool in the summer heat? We are going to use a motor, propeller, and cardboard to make a handheld fan without using scissors or glue. Let's see what's in the kit. The kit includes the following parts. You will also need these from home. Now let's put everything together. Now turn the switch on. Cool! You can use it as a desk fan or take it with you on the go. Let me explain the science to you. When you turn on the switch, the motor will turn the propeller. The propeller draws in air and turns it into a nice cool breeze. Artech Easy Papercrafts allow you to catch a break from the summer heat, hunt for treasure, and more with 6 enlightening hands-on science projects. Just remove the cardboard cutouts and start building, with no scissors required and minimal gluey mess. Thank you for watching. Please be sure to like the video, leave a comment, and subscribe for more videos. See you in our next video. Bye!